Oh yeah, Thursday Warriors. You know, when you hear something and you're like, now I got it, but you've heard it many times before, the human chameleon. So I was listening to some things this week, some motivational guys speak, and they said it a little bit different. Y'all have heard me say it before, but I'm going to give you a different analogy. There are animals that have the ability to change to their environment like a chameleon and blend in. As human beings, we have this like uncanny ability to do the opposite. As human beings, opposite of the chameleon, we have the ability to make our environment blend in with us. And I've given you examples before about the people we hang out with. If we want a certain environment, we change the people we hang out with. If we want a different environment to be where we are in life or the goals we want to achieve, we change the environment. So the environment blends in with us, opposite of the chameleon blending in with the environment. Anyway, I heard that this week. I was like, I got to share it with these guys. So, Thursday Warriors, peace out. See you next week.